What is up, everybody? Welcome again to another episode of Ronjam Vlogs, and for today's video I am going to show you where you can find the private file folder of the Poco X5 Pro 5G that apparently went missing after this smartphone's latest update. But before I show you where it is, I would like to invite you to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thank you so much if you have already done so. So without further ado, here's what you need to do. Just go to File Manager, drag it down until this blue lock icon appears. Then release. Apply the security measure of your choice, be it pattern or fingerprint. In my case, I use pattern. And you'll now be able to access your private file folder and your private files. That's it. Once again, I want to thank you for joining us here in Ronjam Vlogs, and I will see you in my next video. Y'all take care now, and God bless.